how to print from your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to print from your iPhone? Then you're in the right place. First things first, you'll need to go to your files because all of your PDF files are always saved on your Files app. There, you'll need to search for the file that you want to print and then tap on it. And then on the bottom left, you'll see the share icon. Tap on it. Here, you'll find the print option. So, once you tap on it, you'll need to select the printer. You can choose the copies that you want. You can even choose the range, the paper size, and the layout, and just hit print on the top right. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.